Looking for a desk chair that can move when you move? Here are 3 reasons why the Dumos Criss wide desk chair is an incredibly comfortable choice. 1. Unlike most desk chairs, this is made with real movement in mind. I don't know about you, but I certainly am not going to spend all day sitting perfectly upright in a desk chair. As much as I may want to for my posture or optimal back health, I need to have some freedom to move around. And freedom to move is what the Dumos does best. I can sit upright, recline, pull a leg up or 2, rock back and forth, or just lean back, and the Dumos allows for all of it. 2. The faux leather is super soft, beautiful, and practical. If you've ever spilled some coffee or lunch while you're focusing on a project, you know it's nice to have a wipeable surface. 3. It's super soft and supportive. I love that it lets me sink in just enough to be cushy, but not so much that I can't easily get up. It was a piece of cake to put together. It took me about 10 minutes, and it's super easy to use. Just pull the lever up to move up or down, push it in to lock the rocking feature, and adjust the tension on the rocker by turning this dial. This was exactly the chair I was looking for. I really like it, and I hope you'll like it too.